Okay, I am starting a new cup today. I have a badly spray painted cup with just the tiniest bit of epoxy over it. This one is going to get the swearing mandala again. This is going to get the black version, so I'm keeping the base light so you can see it. But there you go. That's the wrap it's going to get. And I'm going to use the Poly Pastel powder in Turquoise from It's Pretty Personal for this one. Pretty good coverage, I think. Again, it's going under a full wrap, so it'll be fine regardless. But there you go. I'll be back when I'm ready for the Waterslide. Okay, we are ready to get this one on the cup. So I'm going to go ahead and soak it in my water and get my cup over here. Make sure it's fully submerged. Look at how beautiful that cup came out. I did, thanks to, I believe your name is Renata. If I said that wrong, I am sorry. I did realize that I can change the colors of these from the purple one on my Apache Open Office that I'm using. I had no idea I could change the color on a file in there as easy as it was. So, like, sky's the limit. Now I want to do every color. So, I'm also going to get this blue one on a cup. So, not for you guys. You guys have already seen this one. So, just exciting to me. And I once again have a little stick spot. So, oops. So I just want to clarify this real quick. I'm getting these spots because the way I spray in a box and leave it to dry because I'm running in and out. If it's pooling in the corner, it's soaking through the paper, and that's what's happening here. So, remember this black one was sized differently to start with. So I'm going to have to get it more like lined up in the cup. Not all to the top or the bottom. And I don't know how that's going to affect my seam on the back side. I'm going to have to squish that down. That's my bunky corner. So I actually got my seam like just about spot on perfect. I am not happy with my corner, but I am not sure that I'm going to be able to get that little piece off of this backer. But let's find out. And this is like a direct result of weather. I mean, I don't have an indoor place that I can spray these right now. So, yeah, we're just, it's going to be what it's going to be. That little tiny buggered up edge. I don't know why I put that back in the water. So, I'm just going to squeegee out the excess water, and oh my god, that glitter looks so pretty under here. And we're just going to let it dry, and then we'll get it back over to the turner for its final coat of epoxy. But look how pretty that glitter is. It's got the blue undertone, but then it's got like a rainbow effect over the top. So the other one I did on white and then put the colored topper on. And you know what? I'm gonna go real quick speed and do the other one. That way we can look at them side by side since they are similar colors. Okay, so I buggered up the corner a little bit, go figure, and I'm also hanging over the top a little bit. I will trim that off once this is dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and put epoxy on these side by side once they're completely dry, so you can see the difference between the glitter underneath and just a little bit of one of my cheats on top. So I will be back when they're dry. Okay, so I'm mixing up my resin, and then I went to adjust my tripod and scraped the freaking water slide. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this one. Maybe I'll get a little added swear word over that spot tomorrow, but for now, for all intents and purposes, I'm done with this one. I'm going to get the resin on it. Worst case, I keep it for myself. So this one we're going to put a little bit of a cheat in, so we're going to do this one first because I'm going to work from the same cup. I cannot freaking believe I did that. I mean, I can because it's me, but you know, a little bit frustrating. I have more cups to work on tonight, but I think after that, actually the last two issues I just had, I think I'm just gonna walk away for the night. And tomorrow can be another day. Let me just give it a little, you know, one of these little flourish dealies, just a little black decal or something, slapped right over that. Make it all just go away. So, that's a good. So I'm going to go with, I'm kind of on the fence of Girl's Best Friend and Touch of Neon, but I just love the Touch of Neon, so that's what we're going to go with. So we're going to do one of those little baby scoopers full. Other than that, isn't that cup just freaking gorgeous? And I did keep my stir stick. So I'm going to scoot this one over a little bit so I can get this one a little bit more in frame. And is it driving you nuts that they're turning opposite directions? Because it's driving me nuts. There, now they're in sync. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. And doing it in this blue color makes it look even more like a China pattern. Which makes the fact that these are such inappropriate words so much better. I'm gonna move my little spoon so I don't get resin on it. Glitter or something. Okay, so that is it. They are both done. I'm gonna take you down so you can see them a little bit closer. Okay, so when I went to edit this last night, I realized that when I took the camera down to show you closer up, something happened. The file got corrupted, and here we go. So I'm gonna show you these, if it'll focus, and it doesn't want to. Oh my goodness. And here's the messed up one. The camera likes this one better. So, I decided that I would take part of that text and make it a little patch that I'm going to apply on there. So, bring you back up here so I can do this. I picked a scripty font just so it would kind of blend in more, maybe. That's going to be my fix for that. Still there? Yep, but better. So now I'm going to get resin mixed up and put a final coat on these, and hopefully it'll go well and I will be done with these. Alright, so there you go. 2 more sweary mandalas. This one's pretty good. Well, this one had its issues, but there you go.